Hello guys, and today we're gonna play Don't Press the Button, the 100,000 series, part 3. I played a little offline, off camera, and this is what I got. There's a dude with 300 more coins than me, but you guys know. Oh, okay, I'm there with the most coins now. Let me see if I could find somebody. How many brain cells do you think I have? Oh, okay. I found everyone. Let's see. What am I gonna do here? Dude, you know you're helping me, right? You just helped us. No, 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 oh no, oh no. Dude, it's just a sphere. Oh, let's get that sphere. Do something. Yes, you, the one with the ginger hair. Do something. No ginger stereotype intended. Great, we couldn't. 5? I thought I could like do some kind of cool crazy thing. Make it good. Oh, come on. Wait, I want to test something. Hey, you, zombie, come here. I want any zombie to come. Yes, you. Yes, you, come here. Die. Oof. Do you speak English? Oh, come on, I want to see if they can have other clothes. But guys, if you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, what potion are we gonna make? Okay, let's drink. Yes, now I have double speed and double jump. Oh, lasers. I don't want to lose my power this easily. Oh no. No, I lost my powers. Well, it's okay. Oh no. Is the time faster? There we go. Oh, okay, now let's do this. Oh, where is it? Oh, okay, thank you. Yay! Now I'm just gonna do this. Let's go. I did it in one move. How do you pass it that far? Green light. Green light. Red light. Green light. Hey, give me my coins. Oh, there we go. Now I have the coins. Now I got some coins. How do people press that? Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna stay here. Okay. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Now it's starting to become hard. There we go. Why are you guys why are you surprised? I'm kind of good at this game. Eliminate this guy. Eliminate. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Let's see, did I win? Yay! Oh no! Did you sure get another color? Man, really? People are wasting their mind just to walk. Much better. Dude, you are not cool. That's just a fact. He's probably an 8-year-old in real life. I mean, like, am I right? Those are how your old avatars look like. Or is it just a stereotype? Guys, comment. Do you think that's true, or is it just a stereotype? Okay. No. Hey, come here! Come here! Oh, my friend's gonna get destroyed. No, 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 no. Yay, now I'm reset so my health comes back. Okay, there we go. It's raining ducks from out of the sky. Ducks. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining ducks. There we go. Yeah, this one's kind of hard. This is one of the hardest ones. Okay, I'll accept for now. Your connection. Okay, dude. Well, I guess I'm playing with my friend now, I guess. Who I probably never met IRL. Or in real life in general. Let me just get another 5. Oh, come on. Oh! Okay, I got another 5. And my friend left, I guess. That was weird. Do you like your own shirt? Oh, my ball just got flinked. Hey, it's not working anymore. Nuh-uh, you're not doing it. No, definitely not. No, no. Oh my god. Oh no. Oof. Dude, bro's doing the moonwalk. Fine. You asked for it. Hiya! Oh no! 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 Yay! And now I can respawn so I can restore my health. Blah blah blah. Okay, now I need to remove my Okay, there you go. Now it's getting easier. I know there's that one guy that's gonna get like 90. Yup. How? How do you get that much points, dude? Okay, now leaderboard so I can see my coins amount. What? What? How did two events happen at the same time? I swear my internet is just so bad. Oh, no, noob. Oh, come on. That was just purely unfair if you ask me. Get on the platform. How did I swear guys, my internet is just so bad. I am so sorry.
Pizza! 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 Pizza!
Oh, let's see, what are these notes? 1, 3, 4, 4. Money, 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 money. Finish the obby. Fine, I'll finish it. Man, this is easy. A 3-year-old can do this. What is this avatar? This avatar is the height of the coins. What? Look at the backpack. I think I'm the tallest one in the server. Speed one. I feel like we're walking like hypergenic, like... You guys know, I feel like we're walking hypergenic, like... Do you guys know what that means? Like, really... I guess, like, our genetics made us fast. Or, like, artificial genetics, something like that. I don't know, I'm not a nerd. Well, I'm not smart, definitely. Man, this is easy. These games are so easy, man. Hey, I'm supposed to get 20 coins. Hey. I'm supposed to get... Oh, no. Oh my god. What am I even saying? Hey, I wanted those coins. This is why I hate the glitches. Wow, you are so smart. You need to remove the item first. Oh my god, kids these days. Hot potato. Elf. Baldi Basics. But guys, as I said, don't forget like and subscribe. Cool, you can hurt Baldi back. Hey, I wanna hurt him. I wanna hurt him too. I wanna give him the nightmare of his life. There we go. I changed his shirt. If you make it yellow, he'll become Caillou. Well guys, bye, because I already have like 33.5 coins technically. So bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.